Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new Chef Day video. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Thank you very much for checking our video out today. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Let us know what you've been up to with the very hot summer we've been having. It's starting to cool down now, but let me know what you guys have been up to. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make one of Disney's most popular snacks that you can get out there, which of course is the Mickey Premium Bar. It is super quick and simple to make. You only need pretty much 2 ingredients and some lollipop sticks. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get to it. So there guys, this is the Mickey Premium Bar. Super easy to make, absolutely quick and simple. Like I said, only pretty much 2 ingredients that you need for this. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, I really do appreciate it. If you want to subscribe, just click the button just here, and also below I'll leave 2 other videos for you guys to check out from our other Vlogust videos and also our recent trip to Tokyo Disneyland. Thanks so much for watching guys, and we shall see you on the next one. Bye!